Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. This is Pritam Bhansali. Today I am going to give you the in-depth explanation about the Google certifications. So what are the different types of certifications are available from Google. So apart from this, Google is providing so many interesting things for the developers and the people who want to learn something new. So without making any delay, let's start. So first of all we will see what are the different types of certifications Google is providing. So let's start. So the first certification provided by Google is Associate Android Developer. Second certification is TensorFlow. So the TensorFlow is nothing but the open source library for machine learning. So the people who want to learn the machine learning, they can go for this TensorFlow certifications. The third one is Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Architect. So it is nothing but related to Google Cloud. So in this you will be learning all the things related to Google Cloud. Next one is Google Cloud Certified Professional Data Engineer. So those who want to become the data engineer in the Google Cloud, they can pursue this certification. And the last one is Google Cloud Certified Associate Cloud Engineer. So this is nothing but for cloud engineers, those who want to become the Google Cloud Engineer. It is designed for them. So these are the certifications provided by Google. So apart from this, there are so many interesting services Google is providing to you. So what are those services? Without making any delay, let's understand. Those who want to pursue the certifications provided by Google, they can land on this web page, and this URL I will be giving in the description below. So please, after watching this video, you can check out all the URLs which I am providing. So right now we can just have a look on the certifications. So this is nothing but the Associate Android Developer. And the next one is TensorFlow Developer. Other one is Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Architect. And all these remaining are related to Google Cloud. So for example, if you want to pursue the Associate Android Developer certification, you can just click on this link. So once you click on this link, you will be landed on a different web page related to Associate Android Developer certification. Here they are providing you the two types of exams. So the first one is Kotlin and the other one is Java. So if you want to do the development of Android applications using Kotlin, you can opt for the Kotlin exam, and if you are very much familiar and comfortable with Java related certifications, then you can opt for the Java. So once you scroll down on this page, you will be able to see here all the required things to pursue these certifications. For example, this is nothing but the study guide. So once you click on this study guide, you will be able to see all the required things to appear for that exam. You can prepare from this study guide. All the course contents are given in this study guide itself. And once you are ready to appear for the exam, just scroll down little bit more, and here you will be able to see there are two different exams are there. One is for Kotlin and other one is again for Java. So you can click on the respective links and appear for your desired exams. So this was all about Google related certifications. So we have only covered here one certification related to Android. If you want to appear for the other certifications like TensorFlow or Google Cloud, you can just click on their respective links and you can pursue your desired certifications. So apart from this, I told you that there are so many other services which Google is providing for all of us. So let's try to see what are those other services also. So for that, you can just go to developers.google.com and click on Learn tab. So once you land on this page, here you will be able to see all the interesting services which Google is providing for us. So the first service is, there are different pathways which Google is providing for all of us. You can follow your individual path and you can learn the skills whatever you want. Other one is the different types of topics which you want to learn from the Google, and the other one is Code Labs. In the code lab, you will be able to code for whatever your desired skills. So I will be giving you all these URLs in the below description. You can go and check out right away. Please subscribe this channel, like my video and share this video. So thanks a lot. Best luck.